Hello boys and girls, and on this video we're going to be reviewing the numbers, counting numbers, and the shapes. And with numbers we're going to start counting to 20. So are you ready? I'm going to show you the number, then we're going to say it. It's actually 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now we're going to count it without seeing the numbers, okay? So here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay, you did it. Okay, now we're going to go over the shapes, and I'm going to be adding new ones, so pay attention, okay? So here are the new shapes. This one is called an oval, and it's kind of like a circle that you stretched out, and it kind of looks like an egg. It's called oval. Can you say oval? Oval. Okay. The other new one, and I'm pretty sure you know this one, it's called a heart. Good job. And this one, you should know it too. It is a star. And this is a new one, and it's kind of hard. So this one looks like a diamond, but the correct name for this shape is rhombus. Can you say rhombus? Rhombus. Okay, good job. So now we're going to look at the shapes, and we're going to say their name. What is this? Rectangle. You can do it either way. This is a triangle. What is this? Circle. What is this? Square. Remember this one? It is a rhombus. Star, heart, and the oval. Good job. All right. I'll see you tomorrow when we review the numbers and the shapes.